Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jerry. You are watching Jerry Education. I've already taught you guys how to design your booklet. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to insert the text and how to manipulate the text, as we have already talked about this in earlier in the pairing lesson. But in the booklet, it's a little bit of different. Let's get into my iPad and we'll see what are the necessary steps to make the booklet correctly. In order to insert the text, there's two options. First one, you have to copy it and paste it in the iPad. The second one is you make the document in the Microsoft Word and then insert it in the publisher. Now the drawback for this one is whenever you're exporting Microsoft Word, they have their own predefined style that you have to delete it. So don't worry, let's walk you guys through. Now let's insert it. On your left side there's a picture tool. Click on that one and then place from file. Click on that one. Now if you don't have all this font and the document, click on the link. There's a link down below in the description. You can download it and then do it as your homework or as a exercise. Let's click on this document. Let's open that one. Now let's zoom in. The text is here, but we have to place it in the text box. Let's click on text box. Now if you look at here, let's zoom in. All the letters or all the words are jumbled up. Let's click on the text tool. Okay, text style tool. If you look at there is a normal. We did not create the normal style in our previous video, right? Let's click on the arrow verse. Now if you look at here, the normal is from the Microsoft Word. They have their own predefined style. So what we can do is click on that one at the hamburger menu and then delete the normal. We don't want the normal. Now let's give this one as a heading. Click on the heading. That's it. And then let's give this one as a body. Click on the body. That's it. Now if you look at here, let's click on the move tool. If you look at here, there's a red button which means the text is overflowing. So what we can do is, in your right side there's a toggle button. Click on this one and click again on the arrow. Okay, you don't have to keep holding, right? Click, click. That's it. Click, click. Right now let's zoom in. Click on the arrow, not the I button, the arrow. Remember the triangle, not the I button. Let's click it. It will make a link. Okay, now let's click on the arrow button, the toggle button again to turn it off, to disable it. Now we want to create a running header. Now remember guys, to make a running header in Tibetan, if you want a specific words or specific letter to show in the running header, we have to create a character style, not a paragraph style. If you create a paragraph style, it will take all the paragraph style that you have selected as a running header. So in English, let's say in English we want chapter 1 as a running header, so we can give it as a paragraph style. But if we want as the chapter 1 but we want just a chapter, not the one, then we have to create a character style. So most of the Tibetan, like a book or story books or pecha, right, all of this has a character style as a running header. So let's zoom in here. We have to delete this one. We don't want this one. Okay, let's create a character style, not the running style. Now whenever you're creating a character style for the running header, remember guys, for the running header, keep it empty. You do not give the font, you do not give the size. Okay, let's click on the move tool and in your text style click on the plus button. Now we create the character style. Click on the character style. Let's delete this one. We'll say title. That's it. Don't choose any font. If you look at here, the font, no change, nothing. Don't change anything. Click on OK. That's it. Now we'll go to the master page. Click on the master page and let's zoom in a little bit. Click on the heading up there. Okay, double click. Now if you look at here, I've already given the font as a Malam Uchin and then with the 12. So let's click on the three dot at the right hand, fields. Let's scroll down, running header. Now don't just insert the running header, we have to edit this one. Keep holding the running header, edit running header. Now style, it is asking for a style. we want the title. Now and on, yes, there's a to shake, we click to shake, and let's go back. Now you can give the running header, double tap and let's give shake 1 2, and then triple tap, keep holding, copy this one and then paste it here. Let's paste it here. Now let's go back to our page, body page. Let's go to the body page. If you look at here, there's only two shake. We did not choose any running header. Now we want to choose the running header. Let's say we want to choose this one, info. Okay. Now go to your text style tool. Now click on the title once. That's it. Click on the title once. It will update the running header. But if somehow you have mistakenly chose this running header, but this is not the running header that I want, you can change it. How do you change it? Very easy. First, select the running header that you have chosen. Go to the text style again and then click on the no style. Click on the no style, okay? And you can choose another one, okay? And let's click on the title again. See, it is updating it again. Now, after this, we have another job to do. What it is shake. In the Tibetan book, the shake on your left side, on your right side and the left side, we don't want the shake, okay? So in order to solve this one, what we have to do is go to the top left, there's a three dot, click on three dot, find and replace. If you can see the find and replace, click on the replace. Now there's a two setting button. In the middle there's setting button, click on the middle setting button, no formatting, just click on the format, no formatting, and go to position and transform, click on no break, turn it on and then click OK. Now what we want the to shake to be no break, or we don't want this to shake to be on the left side or the right side, okay? Click once, click twice, let's click once and click twice. Now if you want, you can replace one by one, right? But since we want to replace all at once, keep holding the replace button. It will pop up the another dialog box which is like a replace all. Click on the replace all. That's it. See? Now after this one, we have the letter Ka. Let's say Ka, shake and then space. Ka, space and shake and the space. Okay? Let's see. No occurrence found. That means there's nothing that is going to replace anything. Let's keep again Ka and shake. There's no space. Ka, space and shake. Yes, there's one. So 9 result. Click on replace all. Yes. And another one, we want to change Nga. The letter Nga. Nga, space, Sagdung and space. Yeah. Okay. Now if you look at, let's say we're good. This looks promising, right? Now if you look at here, some of the space are very big, some of the space are like small. If it looks good, then don't do anything. But if it looks like some of the space are like very big, some of the space are small, what you can do is go to again the three dot, replace. Now this time what we want to do is, yes, no formatting, click on no formatting, position and transform, click on no break, okay? Shake once, shake twice. Now shake once. After this one, on your keyboard there is a button like a box, click on this one and then swipe. Now spaces, go to spaces. In the spaces you can see EM space and EN space. You can choose either of that one, it doesn't matter. I'll choose EN space and then let's go back and shake. Now we'll keep holding the replace button, replace all, and then let's see. So all the space looks good. Okay, now this is the way you set the running header and the text, the space between the text, also about the shake. Remember the shake. Okay, now if you have more than one book, let's say I'll copy this one again. Let's assume we have more than one. Okay, we'll just click one here, paste it here, again paste it here, paste it here 3 times. Now let's click on the move tool. Look at here, there's a button. Let's zoom in and then just click on the toggle button, again the arrow button, and then click on the triangle, not the I button, click on the triangle. automatically. See, now what if you just turn it off or disable it? Now if you look at here, the page number 1 from page number 3, what I want is from page number 3, the running header, I want the running header to be like Sunjupe. I want to change it. Let's say no style. We choose the running header, different running header. See, all the running header is updating automatically from the running header. Now there's another way to set the running header. Yes, this is like a section marker, but I prefer to use the running header because it is easy for me, so I don't have to update it every time, right? So let's check again. Everything look good. Move to, and that's it. We have created the booklet, right? Now about the table content, we'll discuss this more in the next video about the table content, how to export it, how to print it, and how to make it in the booklet. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video where we're going to learn how to insert table content and all the necessary thing. All the resources are in the description below where you can download it and do it as your homework. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you have sort of question, you can ask me in the comment below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.